Hello, my name is Brittany Anderson, and I want to start by taking the time to thank you for meeting with me today. I know you have a busy schedule, but I'm really looking forward to explaining why I'm a qualified candidate for a position as a software developer at your insurance company. To start with my educational background, I have 1 year of college under my belt from Central Michigan University in their honors program. I also spent a year at Michigan State University. Then for my 3rd year of school, I transferred to Baker College. That is where I am now as a student. I take online classes and my major is computer science. The more classes I take in the computer science field, the more certain I am that this is the right field for me. I really enjoy what I've been learning so far, and I look forward to applying it in the workplace in the future. And also in regards to my educational background, I have a high 3 GPA. I'm very proud of it, and I take great responsibility for getting good grades. Also, in regards to my education, after I graduate with my bachelor's this winter, I intend to continue my education by taking insurance classes that are offered by many different insurance companies that I will be doing starting off as soon as I graduate if I was to get hired. Also, a reason I'm a qualified candidate for a position as a software developer is because of how much work experience I have in the field already. I have over 2 years of experience in the computer science field from working as an intern at an insurance company. I worked in a department called BOP, and that stands for Business Owners Policy. We wrote insurance for small businesses, and as a software developer intern there, I got to maintain the system that was used for writing that business. I worked really well with my team there, and I'm looking forward to a potential future in the insurance industry as a software developer. Further reasons why I'm a qualified candidate include some personal skills that are unique to my personality. These include that I have great problem-solving skills, and I have strong leadership skills. This is evident in the fact that at my time at the insurance company I work for, I have been assigned as the mentor to other interns that I work with. I help them through COBOL training, which is the programming language that I primarily use at work right now, and I also got to help them get to know the company and the system. I am very open-minded, and I always have a positive attitude no matter what situation I'm facing. I am very grateful that you took the time to meet with me today. Please let me know if there's anyone I can contact and deliver my resume to. I am really looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.